Welcome to Master Vehicle, where we celebrate the toughest vehicles that rule the roads from Siberia to beyond. Today, we're taking a detour to the sunny streets of India to spotlight the Hindustan Ambassador, a car that's been a legend since 1958. Nicknamed the King of Indian Roads, this sturdy machine has outlasted trends with its no-frills durability and charm. Whether you're a car buff or just curious about global automotive icons, stick with us as we explore what makes the Ambassador a standout. Let's hit the road. The Hindustan Ambassador packs key features that define its reputation as a workhorse. Built on a monocoque chassis inspired by the British Morris Oxford, it's been toughened up with a reinforced suspension to tackle India's rugged terrain like a pro. Engine choices include a 1.5-litre petrol or a 2.0-litre Isuzu diesel, offering around 75 horsepower in later models, more about steady pulling power than speed. Later versions added power steering and air conditioning, but its real strength lies in simplicity. No complex electronics means easy repairs anywhere. For everyday drivers, it delivers decent fuel economy at 12–15 km/L, making it a practical choice that keeps running for decades. Design-wise, the Ambassador oozes vintage appeal with a boxy shape and bold chrome grille that harkens back to the 1950s. Stretching about 4.3 meters, it's compact yet commanding, with a high roofline for extra headroom. Early models had unique suicide doors, later swapped for conventional ones, and custom versions often sport shiny paint or alloy wheels for a retro-modern twist. It's not sleek, its drag coefficient hovers around 0.5, but that bulk gives it a presence that turns heads. For car lovers, this timeless look ages gracefully, whether parked at a show or navigating busy streets. Inside, the Ambassador prioritizes space over luxury. The cabin fits 5 adults comfortably with bench seats covered in durable vinyl, perfect for messy monsoon days. The dashboard is basic with analog gauges and a hefty steering wheel, while later models added a radio, adjustable seats, and cup holders. The boot swallows over 400 liters of cargo, ideal for family trips or market runs. Ventilation relies on manual windows and vents, keeping it cool without fancy systems. The soft suspension smooths out bumps, turning long rides into a cozy experience, more like a living room on wheels than a high-tech cockpit. Performance focuses on endurance, not speed. The petrol engine revs to 4,500 RPM, hitting 0 to 100 km/h in about 20 seconds, while the diesel shines with low-end torque for highway passes. Handling is stable thanks to leaf spring rear suspension, though body roll warns against sharp corners. Drum brakes do the job in traffic but lack modern precision, and fuel efficiency peaks at 18 km/L with diesel on open roads. With 150 mm ground clearance, it shrugs off floods or dirt tracks, proving its all-terrain grit. The Ambassador's unique selling points lie in its heritage and utility. As India's longest produced car until 2014, it's a cultural treasure, from Prime Minister rides to Bollywood fame. Cheap parts and easy repairs appeal to budget owners globally, while its mechanical simplicity invites DIY fixes. For Russian Road Kings fans, picture it with snow chains in Siberia, unflashy but unstoppable. It's a car that tells a story and lasts a lifetime, making it a must-have for classic car enthusiasts. Like, subscribe, and tell us, would you drive an Ambi in Moscow? Catch you next time.